Kayleigh Cabral here with PinkPro and CND. The holidays are upon us, and you know what that means. Tons of nail art and glitter being thrown everywhere in the salon. But what about those clients that are going to be having their appointments from the holiday time to afterwards? How do we transition that holiday nail art to our winter wonderland nail art? Check me out on this next nail art tutorial to see just how you can glitterize your clients and get them ready for their winter season. Add your special touch to this glitter and snowflake look, perfect for a winter wonderland. Design you will need CND Shellac in cream puff, white button down, and white wedding. Ideally choose 2 different glitters. Today we're using a chunky gold and a chunky translucent iridescent glitter. For best results, use CND Shellac Original Top Coat and XPRESS5 Top Coat. And for our bonus feature, grab some clear acrylic powder. Our first coat of polish will be our CND Shellac in white button down. Apply this coat thinly and evenly. Once done, cure in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute on button 2S. Using our chunky gold glitter and our designated glitter brush, we're going to dispense a few spots of glitter onto our sticky layer of our CND Shellac in white button down. We're not looking for full coverage. We want to be able to see the shellac color underneath. By using a silicone brush, we can press down that chunky glitter. This way, nothing will poke out from the top coat we're going to apply. In order to keep all of our layers super thin, we're going to use CND Shellac XPRESS5 Top Coat. Apply this in a thin, even layer. Then cure in your CND LED lamp on button 3 for 1 minute. Now let's repeat the same glitter process, but this time using our translucent iridescent glitter. Using our silicone brush, we'll yet again push down those chunky pieces of our glitter. Using CND Shellac in white wedding, we're going to apply a thin and even layer to encapsulate all of that glitter that we just applied. Prior to putting your brush back into its bottle, be sure to clean the brush out so no loose glitter gets stuck in your bottle. Cure in your CND LED lamp, button 2S for 1 minute. Using a little bit less glitter this time, we'll burnish in a few spots here and there of our chunky gold glitter and our iridescent translucent glitter. Don't forget to utilize your silicone brush to push down all of those chunky pieces. Use a gloved finger to push in any glitter that may be hanging off the free edge or the side walls. Encapsulate all of that chunky glitter with our CND Shellac Original Top Coat. Be sure to cure this on button 3 in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute. Thoroughly wipe the nail with a cosmetic sponge saturated with 99% IPA. Using cream puff, add your snowflake details and don't cure them. Make the snowflakes pop, sprinkle your favorite clear acrylic powder over the uncured design, being sure to fully cover, leaving nothing shiny. Then cure in your CND LED lamp on button 2S for 1 minute. Once fully cured, wipe with your 99% IPA cosmetic sponge. Your design is revealed, sparkling and gorgeous. Try this design out, and if you do, don't forget to tag PinkPro.